Hi, everyone, and welcome to the BCE Global Speaker Series, Women of BCE Global. We're here with some incredible female leaders from BCE Global, Raisa and Sola, who are here to talk about BCE Global wholesale business from an engineering perspective. Thank you both so much for being here, Raisa and Sola. We're so excited to talk to you.
It's a pleasure.
Of course. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, thank you. We're excited to speak with you. And if you wouldn't mind, can we just start by talking a little bit about your roles within BCE Global? Shola, maybe why don't we start with you?
Sure. Thank you. So I'm a senior sales engineer in Raisa's team, and I cover tier 1 customers across North America.
As in coming to me, it's great being here with all of you and talking about what makes our work exciting and meaningful. I lead the sales engineering team here at BCE Global. My team and I are the technical bridge between what the sales teams are building in terms of partnerships and the network solutions that our customers need. We like to believe that we are the creative and technical minds. We take high-level requirements and translate them into concrete, scalable, and efficient network architecture and designs. And I'd like to emphasize here the word scalable, because in today's environment, it is critical for us to make sure that the solutions we design not only solve the customer's current requirements, but also scale for their future growth.
Such a great point. Can you talk even a little bit more now about just sort of looking overall at what a sales engineer does specifically within a telecommunications wholesale environment like BCE Global?
Sure. And it's funny, I must say, it's funny you should ask this, as I was just explaining to my niece what I do for a living. And the analogy I used with her was this. Think of a sales engineer as a translator and architect all rolled into one. In the telecom wholesale world, we help our customers connect their networks across North America. So we need to understand the business needs and strategic goals and translate these into the technical language of network design, bandwidth, infrastructure. We're like the architects who take the client's vision and create detailed blueprints for a building that's efficient, strong, reliable, and aligned with the customer's desired outcome. BCE Global sees a great demand for big pipes. What we're talking about here is our customers' need for multiple 100 gigs, 400 gigs capabilities, and even beyond, able to carry big volumes of data quickly and efficiently. And with the recent announcements by our parent company in the space of Bell AI Fabric, combined with the overall AI boom within the industry, the demand for connectivity is growing exponentially. We sales engineers have the task to design and prepare the network to meet such growth. It's like building wider highways to handle the increased traffic. The difference is that we're moving data and not cars. And of course, security is a top priority for us. So we need to ensure that our network solutions incorporate the latest cybersecurity measures to help protect all BCE Global partners' data at any time. So it's not just a wider and faster highway, if you will, but a safer and well-patrolled one. And believe it or not, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah. Well, and such important work. I love the way that you've broken this down and you were able to explain it to someone, like in this case, your niece. We sometimes think about how to explain to the next generation coming up.
She's my biggest critic, so I trust her.
Oh, yeah. The importance of the work, how it makes sense, just really contextualizing it, but also within the space of the changes in technology and a lot of what you've described. So that was a really great answer. Thank you for that. I'd love to talk a little bit more too about some of the key responsibilities that you would have, to perform some of those important tasks that you described above.
Yeah, our responsibilities. While there are a lot, I would like to categorize them in 3 buckets here, and that would be problem solving, listening, communicating clearly. When it comes to problem solving, well, that is our engineering mindset. Every customer has unique needs, and we have to be creative and resourceful in finding the right solutions for them. It's critical that we have a deep technical understanding of the network, the latest technologies, and how it all fits together. And I'm proud to say that my team possesses several prestigious certifications that enhanced our knowledge and technical skills. And that's certifications in the space of cybersecurity, switching and routing, and of course, the Metro Ethernet forum, the MEF. Secondly, clear communication is key. We work closely with internal BCE Global teams, that's core network, product management, operations, and so on. And of course, our external partners and customers. We have to explain complex technical concepts in a way that suits multiple audiences.
Thank you again for a very clear answer. So problem solving, communication, listening, all very important elements of the work of the sales engineering team. Shola, let's move to you for a second, if you wouldn't mind. I'd love for you to talk to us about how you approach understanding a customer's technical needs and then translating that into a viable solution. Would you mind jumping in here?
Sure. Thank you, Bob. So going back to what Raisa just said, it all starts by being a good listener. We don't just jump straight to solutions. We engage our customers to understand their why, the root of their concerns, their pain point, desired outcomes, and growth plan, both short-term and long-term. We want to see the big pictures and gain a solid understanding of the customer's needs first. This is where our consultative skill come in. We listen and ask questions to make the discovery process more efficient for both parties, the customer and us. So to position a viable solution, we mapped customers' requirements to BCE Global network capabilities and product offering. So it's a collaborative process, and we work closely with our customer to refine the solution until it's the right fit for the customer. Thank you.
Thank you. Can you talk about how you've helped sales teams understand and sell the benefits of new technologies to customers?
Sure. So helping our sales colleague understand and sell new technology is something I'm very passionate about. It's not just about handing them a specification sheet. It's rather a collaborative approach, a process of continuous learning and engagement. So in our day-to-day interactions, we highlight the specific features and benefits of our product that we know will resonate with our customers based on the challenges they are facing. We also regularly organize lunch and learn sessions to dive deeper into our product offering and how they align with identified needs of our customers. It's a chance to share our expertise and answer questions the sales team might have. Ultimately, once again, it's a collaborative effort. We work hand in hand with the sales team to demonstrate the value of our solution to customers, because what we are doing is actually adding value. We are ensuring that we are all on the same page, working towards the same goal, which is solving problems, winning, and closing deals together. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. If you don't mind, I'd love to hear from both of you on this question. And it's a big question, I think. So in your opinion, what are some of the biggest challenges facing telecommunications wholesalers today, given what both of you have described as some of the changes that are happening just at such a rapid pace, the technological change and how along with that customer expectation. Can you talk a little bit about how a sales engineer can help address that and what the challenges are?
Yeah, well, I believe the technological change and the evolving expectations of our customers drive rather great connectivity opportunities for us at BCE Global. High bandwidth, low latency, network flexibility overall are more important than ever. Let's take as an example our hyperscalers and data center customers. They drive an incredible volume of bandwidth requests, far more than the traditional telcos or retail consumers ever would. They need agility and rapid network expansion to support their growth and meet the demands of their users. This means BCE Global needs to be able to deliver solutions faster and more efficiently than ever before and keep up with these rapid advancements, whether it's AI or any other emerging technologies, while of course being mindful of the risks associated with immature technologies. Shola, I'm sure you can add more to this.
Sure, Raisa. Thank you. Right. So as sales engineer in this environment, it's our duty to keep up with technology. We learn and adjust. I'd even say reinvent ourselves to always remain on the competitive edge of new industry trends. We need to be more than just technically proficient. We need to be trusted advisors and translate new and complex technology into tangible business value for our customers. So in our team, we actively engage with industry and our customer to address this aspect. We attend conferences, trade shows. We look for opportunities to continuously learn, understand our customers' evolving business needs, and further strengthen relationship with them. Hope this answers your question. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And thank you both. It's been such an interesting conversation today with the two of you. And so thank you. Thank you to the women of BCE Global, to Raisa and Sola today for sharing your expertise, your experiences, insight into the values of your roles, how it benefits customers. It was just really great to listen to you, get a better understanding of what engineers do within your business. And also,
Thank
of
you.
course, from the perspective of strong, amazing female leaders. Thank you so much.